Aloha, this is Gigi from Kauai Community College. This is a video on how to apply the chain rule to take the derivative of a composite function. This is problem number 27 if you are in my class out of the set of those blue cards for the chain rule. And the question is asking us to calculate the second derivative. Okay, so let's calculate the second derivative of this function, f of x. So for the first derivative, we would say the chain rule is going to apply because we have sine of x squared being our inside function. So the chain rule says the derivative of the outside function, which would be cosine, keeping the inside function the same, multiplied by the derivative of the inside function, which would be 2x. All right, so here we would write it as 2x cosine of x squared, 2x multiplied by cosine of x squared. So that is the first derivative. Now the second derivative is going to be the derivative of a product. Okay, so this is why this question is kind of wonderful here. We start with something basic of a chain rule, and then it gives us a product, and now we have to apply the product and the chain rule together. So product rule has one function, two functions here, right? Product rule said derivative of the first, which would be 2 multiplied by the second, and that is cosine of x squared. Plus the derivative of the second, which would be derivative of cosine is negative sine. So I'm going to write negative sine of x squared multiplied by that inside function, which is 2x. And so that is the derivative of cosine x squared. And then we got to multiply by the first function, which is 2x. Okay, so that's going to give us 4x squared. And as far as what can we do with this, we can actually factor out 2, and then I will have cosine of x squared minus 2x squared sine of x squared. And that is all I could have done. That's the only common factor there. And I'm going to go ahead and leave my answer as that.